Brats, it is time to find this beast a new home. After filtering out duplicates so that we don't have anyone getting more than one chance to win and making sure the word giveaway was in the comment, we got 151 unique comments, a 1 in 151 chance of winning. Much better than the lottery. Let's get ourselves a winner. The Searing Apple. Seems cool to have a Gunstock to simulate having a gun in VR. Yes, you got the Quest 2, so it'll be a perfect fit. Apple, I will reach out to you on your comment. If you're here and you didn't win, we already have more we got to give away because we keep getting sent all these parts to review, and I don't want them sitting around collecting dust. I don't want to have some huge pile of Quest 2 accessories. So already we've got a Kiwi strap, a Kiwi stand, a silicone kit, and a couple other things for the Quest 2. So we'll probably start that giveaway probably this weekend or maybe early next week. I got a lot going on with it being October and 13 games of Halloween, but hang out for that one. And if you miss it, I'll probably even go back and let people know in the comments who commented on previous ones and didn't win. We got another giveaway going. At this point, I feel like these are going to be happening all the time just because we have so many parts coming in. I don't know what else to do with them. So thank you so much for being here, hanging out with me today. Another congratulations to the Searing Apple out there, and I will see you in another reality.